I'm Chef Tammy Brawley from the Green Kitchen. Here on Heart of the Home today, we're going to show you guys how to make some delicious savory muffins. We are going to do pumpkin cheddar muffins. Typically, pumpkin's considered sweet for the fall and for the holiday desserts, but today we're going to do a savory muffin. We're going to start out with about a half a cup of canned pumpkin, which is always very popular at the holidays. And we're going to add that pumpkin to our mixer. To that, we're also going to add a tablespoon and a half of sour cream. Interestingly enough, you can also interchange sour cream with yogurt. I've done that many, many times. About a tablespoon and a half. You're just looking for a little bit of a tang, and that's what we're doing there. And we're going to add 1 egg. And we're going to blend that together nicely combined. While that's blending, we're going to go ahead and mix our dry ingredients. What I have here is about a cup of all-purpose flour and about a quarter of a cup or so of dark brown sugar. To that, believe it or not, I'm actually going to add cayenne pepper. I love the bite with this, but I do only want about 1/8 of a teaspoon or so. But we're also going to add black pepper, and to that we want about 3/4 of a teaspoon, and we want the same amount of salt. So we've got 3/4 of a teaspoon there. Since I don't have a dry spoon with me, I'll put my lid back on my little Tupperware container. Mix our dry ingredients together. And we're going to step back over to our mixer. It's nice and blended. We're going to go ahead and add our dry ingredients, a little at a time. Maybe kick up the speed by 1 notch. I'm going to stop the mixer and just get down with the spatula there and get it nice and combined. The dough looks pretty darn good. We get back up and go ahead and kick it back on. Now we're going to add about 3/4 of a cup of cheddar cheese. I know a bit more than 3/4 of a cup in here, but I don't need to use it all. All right. So to that, we're going to go ahead and add some melted butter. All right. Now we're better. So we have a nice little portion scoop here, and we have some muffin liners. You don't have to use these paper muffin liners. I find them to be easier for cleanup at the end. And we're just going to portion scoop right into the muffin tins. All right. Now we've got some fresh pepitas or pumpkin seeds. We're going to drop those right on top of the muffins. If you get yourself a container of the pumpkin seeds, keep them in the freezer, keeps them fresh. And we're going to come back with just a little bit more cheddar cheese. Sprinkle that right on the top. And they're going to go into the oven on about 400 degrees for about 20 minutes. All right, through the magic of television, these have been in the oven for about 20 minutes or so. When they come out, this is what they'll look like. Nice and melted cheddar on the top with the pumpkin seeds. I absolutely love these with a bowl of chili, a bowl of soup, anything in the nice cooler fall nights. I'm Tammy Brawley with the Green Kitchen. Join us next time on Heart of the Home.
Recipes from the Heart of the Home can be found on the Virginia Farm Bureau website at vafb.com/recipes, as well as on Chef Tammy Brawley's website at greenkitchenrichmond.com.